In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the text document from your DCU account. At first, you need to open the dcu.org, this website, from any browser. You just need to open the browser and you have to type dcu.org to access this website. Once you are there, then you will find username and password option is there. We just need to type our username and password, and then after that we just need to log in to our account. Once our account is logged in successfully, then we will see different options are there. These are like tabs: accounts, insights, move money, membership, and our like profile icon. Our goal is to download the text document, so we have to directly jump to this section, membership. I'm going to click here, and very shortly the membership window will be opened. Now here we'll see different links and options are there. We have to come to the left side and we have to scroll almost at the end of this column, and here we'll see view statements and text form. To download the text document, we have to access this option. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Left side we'll find statement type and what type of text document we want to download. So here there is text statement. From here we have to come to this section, and right side we'll see the period. It is asking us to choose a period. If we click here, a small drop down arrow, then we will find the 1099 int file is there, which is the text statement or text document. And once we are there, then we have to choose the year of text document we want to download. I'm going to click here to start the download, and very shortly it will bring us this window. Now we will see this type of warning. We just need to press the allow button to start the downloading, and very shortly it will be downloaded successfully. And that's it. In this way we can easily download the text statement from our DCU account.